I go to eBay and then I go to the seller Galaxy Nail Decals. And they have an option so where you can buy custom nail decals for about $2 to $3. You get 5 designs and 10 decals. When you purchase them on eBay, you go to eBay messages and then you send them the pictures that you want. Then they make the decals. They ship pretty quickly because they're from the US. They come in an envelope usually and then it's in this little bag. Now I am not sponsored by Galaxy Nail Decals at all for this video. They don't even know I'm making this video. But I just wanted to share with you how I get my custom nail decals. Now I will say if you have a printer, you can print your own. I don't have a printer and I don't know how to do it. So personally, I just buy these for $2 to $3. Over the years, I have bought 3 sets of decals from Galaxy Nail Decals on eBay, and I've been happy with the way that they look. So I'll link everything down in the description box down below. I am not sponsored by them at all. I just wanted to share with you a fun way to get custom pictures on your nails. It's fun.